Okay, it is, it's 12:50, so it's Tuesday. We're going home soon, and there he is. Wait, let me zoom out. There he is. Oh, bless you. Hopefully you can see, because I can't see right now. Hey, Molly. Are you on the camera? Let's see. Oh. There we go. Okay. Hey. There he is. Uh-oh, your hat fell off. You can see. I don't know how well you can see. He has hair. Not a whole lot, though. There he is. Looking like both of his sisters. There he is, my little boy. Hey. He's ready to eat. He's just thinking, what are you doing right now? Where's my food? That's what he's thinking about. Alright. That's enough for now.